Hello, I am back to share with you another carnivore bread recipe, and I am going to show you how to make this in two ways, either on the stovetop or the microwave. So let's go right ahead and jump right into it. Right here I have 1/4 cup pork rinds, a tablespoon of tallow, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and we just simply stir it all up. All right, let's go ahead for the first method. What I do is I just add the mixture to a hot pan that I actually added some tallow to it, right? And then I cook the bread for 2 minutes on each side. So it kind of looks like a pancake, but it definitely does not taste like a pancake. So right here, I just added some eggs to it and with some tallow as well. So you could stuff it with whatever you want, and it does hold up really well. So let's go on to the second method. Right here, I just pop the mixture in the microwave for 90 seconds. After 90 seconds, let it cool for a few minutes, and then you just cut it in half so that you can have 2 slices. After you cut it in half, it is ready to be used. And again, this bread is really delicious. It's has like a spongy texture, but it's still very good. And right here, we just added some eggs and bacon, and that is pretty much it. So very simple recipe and something that everyone in the house enjoys, and it just makes for a great breakfast sandwich or just whatever else you want to add to it. So hope you give it a try. You be blessed.